Let's have a look at a vertical shift. So if we're going to do cos of theta, remember that this portion that I highlight, you do basically put it on the paper before you fill it in. Memorize this line, which is your cos, which is going to be 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1. If you haven't memorized it, you can input it into your calculator. You will get the answers, but that's time consuming. So what does a vertical shift look like? A vertical shift is if you have cos of theta or a cos of theta, and then you either have a plus minus of a number, so plus minus q, meaning that we're going with cos of theta, let's say minus 2, versus, okay, let's start with the orange one. So if we wanted to plot cos of theta, we would do this line plotting. We start with 1, 0, minus 1, 0, and 1. This is your cosine graph. It's a little bit difficult to draw on the tablet. Okay, that's what your cosine graph should look like. Now, if we draw the orange one with a minus 2, what happens on the table? I say 1 minus 2, that's negative 1. 0 minus 2, that's negative 2. Negative 1 minus 2, that's negative 3. Negative 2, negative 1. So on my graph, I now go 0, negative 1. 90, negative 2. 180, negative 3. 270, negative 1. 360, so negative 2. 360, negative 1. So this is what the vertical shift looks like. Your vertical shift is your up-down shift. Everything moved down 2 spaces. That's what a vertical shift looks like. Okay, we can do another one. We can do maybe plus something. So if we did plus 1, we would have 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. So for the pink one, you would have start at 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. So this is cos theta plus 1. This one is cos of theta. And this one is cos theta minus 2. Those are your vertical shifts.